Page 107, question 1. It says, which sum is not equal to 5/12? So when we're talking about sum, we are definitely talking about addition. And when we talk about not equal or not equivalent, we're looking for one of these answers to not be equal to 5/12, which means 3 of them should be, and then 1 of them will not. Let's go ahead and get started. So we're going to start with A. And A says 1/12 plus 3/12 plus 2/12. So there's 2 ways of doing this. The first way is to make sure that all 3 denominators are the same. So we have 12, 12, 12, and then adding up your numerators. The second way we do it would be to draw yourself a visual of that 12s. Okay? So you get your rectangle that has 12 pieces, and I like to do 6 and then split it in half. So then I have 12 because 6 times 2 is 12. So I know my denominator is 12. And now I'm going to go through and I am going to draw in what it's telling me to add. So the first one says 1/12. So I'm going to go with 1 plus 3. So 1, 2, 3 plus 2. So 1, 2. And then the most important part is after you've drawn this is to then label what you have. So I have shaded in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 out of the total of 12 pieces. Okay, so that would be A. B, again, my denominator is 12, so I'm going to draw my rectangle. And I'm going to split it in half to make 12 pieces. And I'm going to start coloring in what I have. So I have colored in 2 on the first one, plus 1 more, plus 2 more. And again, I'm going to label exactly what I have. I know my denominator is 12, and I have colored in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pieces. So that is a 5/12, so I'm going to go ahead and get rid of that. Now let's look at C. Okay, again, my denominator is 12. Make 12 pieces. And I'm going to start by filling in 3. So 1, 2, 3, plus 2 more. And now I'm going to label what I see. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 out of the total of 12 because my denominator is 12. So that one again is 5/12, so I'm going to get rid of that one. And I'm going to do D. So again, 12s all the way across. So I'm going to draw my rectangle with 12 pieces. And I'm going to start shading in what I have. So I have 1/12 plus 1/12 plus 1/12 plus 1/12 plus 1/12. And now I'm going to label what I see. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 out of my denominator is 12 because there's 12 total pieces. So that one is 5/12. So my answer is A. And yes, I know I found it the very first time, but I'm going to go ahead and work out the others just in case. Because what happens if I misadded? If I had come up with 6/12 here and 6/12 here, I know one of these is wrong. So that's why you do all of them to double check what you have.